welcome to Mike's Man Cave, and today we will be doing hamburgers on the BBQ barbecue. So what we've got here is 2 kilos of beef mince, we've got 2 eggs, we've got 2 packets of Grill Mates Classic All-Star Burger Seasoning, which one packet does 1 kilo, so we've got 2 packets, and we've also got 250 grams, or actually no, we've got 2 cups of breadcrumbs to go in there. Now we've also got some burger cheese, and I prefer the extra tasty cheese, so I've got some extra tasty cheese slices, and we've got some hamburger rolls. And you can use whatever burger rolls you prefer, obviously. These were the only ones I had at our local shop today, so that's what I ended up with. Mincemeat has now been all mixed up, and we'll make some burger patties. I like to make them about 200 grams for each patty, and you can adjust that to your own liking. So I use scales. There you go, I've done this before, 200 grams. So I'll weigh out lots of 200 grams of mincemeat, and then we'll shape them up into patties and go from there. The BBQ is now up to temperature. It's been about 5-10 minutes. The burgers are ready to go on. Let's cook some burgers. Okay, now we'll close the lid and we wait. The burger's been cooking for about 4 or 5 minutes now, and we'll flip them over. Now I only flip my burgers once, and you know when they're ready when they do that. If they stick to the grate, they're not ready to flip. These burgers should not be sticking to the grate. There's nothing on the grate. It hasn't been oiled or anything. It doesn't need to be. Okay, there's your burgers, perfectly done. Nothing sticks to the grate. Okay, you've got to have the grate hot, and you've got to leave the burgers until they release. If you try and turn them too early, they will break apart. Okay, here's the burger buns. They've been toasted and we're keeping this really simple. And I just like using some mayonnaise on one side of the bun, some American mustard on the other, and I use Cole's special burger seasoning or burger sauce on top of the actual beef patty. So let's put this burger together, and we're also obviously using the tasty cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like.